We still got a lot of holes to fill, and the toughest is going to be up here on the firewall itself. The floor is not too bad, so I think what I'll do is I'll start filling in the blanks until I get as far as I can before I have to take the engine out. That way I'll only have a couple holes left to fill once the engine comes out. Once I get the floor panels done, that should show me where the firewall needs to be. So let's get busy. I got this accelerator pedal from an 07 Chevrolet truck, I believe. Should work pretty good for this project. This is covered in the Auto Body Handbook, Chapter 12, Auto Body Debauchery. Hear that wonderful sound? Got a little bit of rain going on to keep us cool. See if we can keep going on the floor on this rat rod. So you basically make a template that's close to what you want to do. And you cut it. Got to figure out which way it goes. Then you make this fit the hole. Bring it in here and mark it where you want to slice and dice it. After you cut it, stick it up there and make it fit. Do a little trimming if you need to. I should be able to bring the floor up just a little bit. We'll start welding it in and making it fit our hole like we want. We'll do what we have to do to make it fit. With this welding all these pieces in, on the back side here, if I weld it in all the way over here, I'm going to have all that on the back side that's not secured. What we'll do is we'll go back, when we pull the cab off, we'll go back behind it and we'll trim all this off. And we'll either weld it or seam seal it, keep the water out, whatever we need to do. But wherever we do these overlaps, we're going to have extra on the back side that we'll have to take care of later. So like this, if we weld this in over here on this line, I don't know if you can see it. So anyway, if we weld this in over here on that line, we're going to have that edge behind it. And after we pull the engine out, we'll have to go back and trim that off on the back side, do any welding that we need to, seam seal all these seams. Now we'll try to get the best starting point and then give it hell. Trying to decide which side I want to go on. If I come over here, when I trim that back side, it'll give me a little bit more room between there and the transmission, so I may do that. Here we are so far. Probably at about 90%, 85%. Still got the firewall to do up here. We got to do our little tunnel. Not a whole lot left to do. I need to pull that engine out and transmission so I can get to the rest of it. So I can get to the firewall nice, square it up, do what I want to do there. I got all the pieces in that kind of tell me where everything goes. Is it perfect? Yep. Is it beautiful? Yep. It's going to work for what we're doing. Catch y'all next time. Thanks for watching.